Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTx. Thanks for clicking our video. Today we will discuss how to change Windows Defender security settings in Windows 10. At first, click to Start menu, then click to the settings. Now, click on to Update and Security. Click on Windows Security from the left menu. After that, click to open Windows Security option. Virus and threat protection. You can scan all the hard drive of your computer using this activity. So, click to Quick Scan. Now, Windows Security Tools scan all the hard drive of your computer, and if get any malware or virus, then warn to you, and destroyed it. You can customize of this threat settings. In this category, 3 options are there. 1. Real-time protection. 2. Cloud protection. 3 and last, automatic submission protection. Firewall and network protection. It's a very important option in security level, for defending unauthorized access in your machine. Check the security update, or patch of Windows. Device security. If this option is enabled, then you can safely use USB or other devices, with connected your PC. If detected any malware or virus, in any application, or browsing site, then you get a warn message from the app security. You can also manually allow or disallow any application from the settings. Firewall Advanced Settings. From this settings, you can manage all the firewall security, to using application ID, application protocol, and application using port, etc. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you, have a nice day.